So we're looking at the biomechanics of bird tails during slow flight. So landing, taking off, or slow flight competitions.
No one has tried to look at bird tails before during takeoff and landing flights. Using the 3D motion capture to track certain points on the bird's body, and from that we can reconstruct how their tail is moving.
Dr. Jackson does a really good job of letting me work independently. He really treats us like grad students. He only comes in once or twice a week. Maybe if I can't figure out a problem, help me figure it out. But throughout the week, it's really just me setting up here, getting some footage, and then going back to the lab and analyzing all the data.
That's my favorite part of doing this, of seeing the student grow to become essentially an independent researcher.
I have these close relationships with my professors. I can grow so much, I can pick their brains and learn so much in such a short period of time. So just going through the videos itself and without doing any mathematical calculations yet, you do see a lot of behavioral things.
We see that birds don't always use their tails when they land. For example, they don't always spread them out when they land. They don't always spread them and pulse them when they take off, but sometimes they do.
I guess we're still trying to figure out why is that, and I guess once we do the mathematical calculations and get further on, then we'll figure out why.